today's video we are unboxing our limited edition Look Fantastic subscription box. This is all about hair, so y'all know I'm pretty excited about it. I'll have a link to sign up, coupon if there is a coupon available, all in my description boxes down below. Make sure to check that out. But as always, before we jump into the video, excuse you, a little information. Hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we're always embracing the hot mess. Over here it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we do all the things. Not only do we play and review makeup, but we unbox and chat about makeup. We just have a good old time over here, keeping it cute, putting it on mute, remembering at the end of the day it is in fact only makeup, only hair color. It washes off. It's not that serious. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Real quick, broken record over here. Can you guess what's on my eyes and on my cheeks? Did you guess Makeup Geek and Blink? Yep. Still in love and obsessed with my Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral palette. I have all the shades right here in the center on. I love this palette, y'all. I haven't been able to put it down, and since it's back in stock, I just feel the need to talk about it non-stop. So HotmessMommaMD will save you 10% over at Makeup Geek. Love this palette. If you love mattes, everything in here is mattes, and you are going to be obsessed with it. So anyways, the Blink palette, y'all, this palette is only 30 bucks. Rhonda Glow, it's not an affiliate code, will save you 25%. You have 4 different highlighters, 4 blushers, and the formula is just beautiful, and I love it, and I keep talking about it, but we're friends here. And if your friend finds something that they like and they don't tell you about it, what kind of friend is that? A shitty one. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the Look Fantastic box. Now, Look Fantastic does have a monthly subscription box. Now, like I told you all, this is a limited edition box, and you have the option to go ahead and purchase this box if you want. Let me pull up a little information for you all. This box will cost $35, and you will receive over $95 worth of hair products in this box. It's our Hair Edit limited edition beauty box, and it does contain 8 premium hair care products. So there is that, and again, a link to sign up below. May have a discount code and everything as well. So jumping right in, this I feel like is a little bit larger than their typical sizes, maybe because it is a limited edition and it is worth a bit more money in here. But if you do want to sign up for their monthly subscription, you do have that option. So here's the inside, and again, these boxes, I've told you all for a while now, I do like put gifts in here. If I do giveaways, I ship the giveaways a lot of the times in these boxes because your girl's too lazy to go to the post office, so I just ship things that fit into my mailbox. I'm a homebody, what can I say? So in here you are going to get a little pamphlet telling you a little information about all of the goodies that are in here, little information about them and what they can do for you, how to use them, etc. We love that. Wow, there's a lot of nice things in here. So little gift to yourself. It is wrapped up. Oh my gosh, the presentation. We love this. How flippin' cute is that? Like, I feel like I should take a picture and like, oh my gosh, that is so freaking cute. And I know I'm not going to be able to put it right back in there that cute, but okay, I digress. So the first item in here is the Tangle Teaser Professional Detangling Hairbrush, good for wet and dry hair. I can tell you these are really good. Haley and I have pretty sensitive hair, or heads. Mine is probably a bit more sensitive than hers. Like, yeah, I'll admit it, mine is awful. I am a sissy. I am a death grip like no other when anybody is touching my hair. It's a sensory thing for me. It's too much. It's like the worst pain of my life. I know, dramatic probably, but whatever. Anyways, a little information about this. It does say, I thought maybe it would have a price on here. It does. It is worth $10, and it's a patented 2-tier regular flex technology. It's travel-friendly brush, removes tangles, and reduces breakage. So you'll have smooth first frizz-free hair anywhere you go. And it's pink, so I love that. The next item in here is by Caviar or Alterna. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Bond Repair Conditioner. I can tell you this stuff is night and day, absolutely amazing. My mom's hairdresser actually turned me onto this back in like 2012 or something. My hair was just legitimately going through it. You know how I am, y'all. I ramble, I tangent, take a left-hand turn, eventually bring it back. Here's this left-hand turn. Maybe it was like 2011, but I had tried that birth control. I would not ever in a million years ever recommend it. I literally had long, beautiful hair like to my waist, okay? And I had gotten 2 doses of that Depo. That's what it was called, the Depo. And my hair literally from the waist up died, fell out. Awful. Like, that wreaked havoc on my entire body. Probably why some of the reasons that I have the health issues that I have now, I 100% believe had to do with that Depo. Anywho, Molly had recommended this to my mom to tell me about because they were talking about it, and it did help my hair a lot. I mean, obviously it didn't help with like the falling out and everything, but it did help like the weird dry up like that it was doing. And this stuff is absolutely amazing, and it says it strengthens damaged hair, and it really was a game changer for my hair. I mean, I'm queen of hiding behind my hair, so I was like devastated when it was falling out, it was breaking, it was like mush, and it wasn't even bleached. It was awful. Okay, I turned it back around. Here we are to the next product. This is dermatologist designed hair care that won't clog pores. Skin caring blowout cream. Okay, that sounds nice. This has a retail value of $24. This is a full size product, and it says apply a dime size to a quarter size amount to damp hair from roots to end and blow dry. Body, bounce, control, and shine. Get serious blowout results and memory without clogging pores or compromising skin with a dermatologist designed non-comedogenic. If I said that incorrectly, well, welcome, because that's what I do here. I definitely do that. Big words, and I'm like, ugh. Anywho, it's a blow dry styling product. Your hair will be protected from heat, pollution, UV damage, giving it beautiful shine. So excited to have that, and I like the fact that it has the UV protection, so you best believe when Mama's outside, not only is my face and my body getting sunscreen, but my hair will too. I'm making this video so long, okay? We're friends here. We chat. By the way, I have a gamer upstairs, and he games like his life depends on it, so. Anyways, the next item, this has to be a full-size product. Like, look how big this one is. Do you see that? Full size, 5 fluid ounces. This is still a good size. This is 1.35 fluid ounces of the Alterna. I mean, we're getting amazing here. This next product is Imbu Kinks, Curls, and Coils. It's a curl enhancing hydration serum. It's vegan, and it enhances, defines, and defrizzes with coconut and cacao. What? I may have said it wrong. Let me just show you all. This is what she looks like. It's a good size, and it does have a retail value of $13. Now, I don't really have curly hair, so I will put this off to the side and put it into a giveaway for y'all. It does say it's lightweight. It's a hydrating serum. It unleashes and enhances the natural curl pattern, protecting against humidity for long-lasting curl definition without the frizz. So that's really nice. Okay, so the next item in here is one that you all know I've talked about pretty much since its release. This is another like game changer to your hair routine, and that of course is Oilplex. This is the number 3. This does have a retail value of $8.50. The full size I want to say is like $26 maybe. I don't know. You get multiple uses out of it, but this repairs and strengthens your hair. This is good for all types of hair textures, and I can tell you from personal experience, this is absolutely amazing. Like, legitimate game changer. definitely 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Okay, so the next item in here, I'm not very familiar with this brand. It's Philip B Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. It's a scalp invigorating volume shampoo. It is 2 fluid ounces. Great for travel. A little information, this does have a retail value of $15. It is formulated with 2.3% peppermint oil and 16 plant extracts. That is clarifying shampoo that clears away unwanted oils, residue without stripping, and creates a tingling, cooling sensation to invigorate your scalp. That I absolutely love. Y'all know I talk about my Briogeo coconut charcoal mask all the time. That has like a pepperminty type of scent and feeling to it, so your scalp like literally gets that tingle. So definitely excited to try that out. The next item is what I call my Winnie the Pooh brand, the Christoph Robin, and I absolutely love. I was unboxing this in my, I think it was an Ipsy bag for this month, and I had made that same kind of comment, and some of y'all were like, thank God somebody else does that, because I think of the same thing as well. And I'm like, you are my people. So this has a retail value of $8.48. This is the scrub, cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. I wonder if I can smell it. That smells like heaven. And it feels like a lip scrub, to be honest, but I know it's for your hair. Oh my gosh, that smells like a flippin' expensive salon and spa. I like that a lot. So this does say it is a sea salt scrub. It's an effective natural exfoliator to cleanse, remove impurities, and restores the balance of the scalp. I will say I probably would not want to use them together, because I feel like even though it says it's not stripping, it might be a little too much. I don't know. I'll have to ask my daughter. She's a cosmetologist. She would know. So this is what it looks like. Again, you get a really good size amount, and even for the amount of hair that I have, I would definitely get multiple uses out of this. This is also, it says sensitive or oily scalp, so we like that. It does say that it stimulates microcirculation in the scalp to apply the maximum amount of nutrients to the hair, restoring optimal hydration levels to, you know what, maybe it won't be. Neither one of these sound like they're going to be stripping, you know, at all to the scalp, which is really, really nice. And I've always heard wonderful things about this brand. The next item and the last item in here, kind of like one of those, like, what is that called? Like sample products. Wow. This is Hush and Hush Secret is Science Hyper Concentrated for Hair Health. Oh, they're daily supplements. Okay, Rhonda. Oh goodness. Okay, so this does have a retail value of $6, and it says that it is hair health supplements that harness the power of proven vitamins, minerals, botanicals, and patented ingredients to stop thinning hair and hair loss, combats the causes of aging, nourishes the follicles, and promotes scalp health and increases the shine, volume, density. That's nice. Okay, so there we go. So that is everything in this limited edition box, only for your hair, which I like. I mean, for me personally, if you want something that's like geared towards all your hair or just for your hair health, this is going to be the box for you. $35. So we got some full-size products in here. I think it was a really good deal. Let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Look fantastic. I have to say, one thing that I absolutely love about them is they put brands in their boxes that I feel like a lot of us haven't heard about. Maybe it's because they're based in another country or something, and those are the brands that are popular over there. But even though I know some of, obviously, I know of some of the brands, I've heard of them or I've tried them, there are other brands that I've not heard of from them or before that I'm seeing in the box, and I do like that. So let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Again, there's going to be a link in my description box if you are interested in signing up. It is not an affiliate link, just a way for y'all to sign up, save some coin, all of that. Don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. I'm over on TikTok, Instagram at Hot Mess Mama of 4. And until next time, this busy bee is hopping off. I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!